Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Praise is the name at Refined Traders in Cobb with another market breakdown. Let's get it, guys. Today it's the 5th of September. We just had NFP today, it's a Friday. So I'm gonna break down the trades that I took. Let me start with EU. I'm gonna show you guys something, right? Yeah, this was my setup on EU, guys. You know, we always start on the higher time frame whenever we analyze. As you guys can see, the market has been moving bullish on the daily time frame. That's why I also put this trend line over here. So this is my target, guys, this overall resistance. So let's go on the H4 to see more structure. I'm not gonna lie, EU has been moving bearish, guys. I mean bullish. EU has been moving bullish, guys, my bad. And it has been creating like these higher highs and higher lows. Let me show you. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then he had created a lower low, and then he started to create a minor bearish structure, guys, till it came back to create a support zone, created a new high, went back to test the support zone, went back to test this resistance zone, and then it created this sort of this was, I'm not gonna lie, this is a lower low because it's lower than this lows over here, right? Then price created a lower high, created equal lows, then created a high, then created a higher low. Because this high over here, it's higher than this high, this low. So this is a higher low, and price gained momentum to buy and break this resistance zone over here, guys. As y'all can see, let's go to the H1. When you dive down to the H1, you can see that price created this sort of bullish flag pattern, guys, and then price ended up breaking. That's where I took my first entry, guys. Let's go down to the smaller time frames. Yeah, price created this bullish flag over here, guys, and then that's where I took my first entry, guys. Price started to play around here. It was retesting this trend line and then break, and then price created this higher low. This is a higher low and this is a higher low, guys. Price was failing to go below this trend line since it broke out, and then I waited for the candle closure. I took my first entry right here, guys, after this bullish engulfing, guys. And also with my another confluences, the EMA crossover, you see these moving averages were supporting price. So this was the reason why I was confident about this first trade, guys. So this was my risk to reward. This is how much I was risking if I was wrong. And then I was a 1:3, and then I was targeting this resistance zone because price previously reversed here and sold off, and then price ended up gaining momentum to break this resistance zone, and then price created this new high. Price created this new high over here, right? And then price sold off to retest this support, this resistance. Price sold off to retest this resistance, which is now support. And then after this bullish candlestick, this bullish hammer, I waited for the candle closure, and then I took my second trades, right? So this is how much I was willing to risk. This is my risk to reward ratio, 1:2. And then this was before NFP. Actually, I took my trade before NFP, and then when NFP came in, it just made the market more volatile. It just called the buyers to come and take control with full force, guys. And then price went straight to my TP, and then they hit my TP, guys. My TP was this resistance zone over here, guys. As y'all can see, price tested this resistance zone the first time, and then the price tested it the second time, guys, as you can see. So this is why I was aiming for this zone, but it seems like price wants to go higher though. Seems like price wants to go higher because it's sort of breaking here. The other reason why I was confident about this buy is because I also looked at the dollar index, guys. I noticed that the dollar index has been moving in an overall downtrend, guys. And whenever the dollar is selling, that means gold, Euro USD, GU, they're buying. Okay, guys. And when the dollar index is selling, I mean, like when the dollar index is buying, then GU and EU and gold are what they are selling, guys. Okay, so I noticed that the dollar index is moving bearish. As you all can see, it also created this flag pattern here for sales, and then it broke this support over here, came back to retest. After the retest, I saw this shooting star candlestick. I took my trades. This is how much I was willing to risk if I was wrong. And then we were targeting the next support zone, guys. As you can see, price went straight there. As you can see, price tested the support zone the first time, second time, and third time, guys. So this is why I was targeting this zone over here, because this support had about 3 retests already. Okay, guys. And the other trade I took was on gold. Yeah, it was on gold. Damn, I was waiting for this retest. No, the other trade damn, look at Nasdaq, dog. I thought it was buying. Yo. Sheesh. Okay, let's go to gold, guys. I took this buy on gold, guys. As y'all can see on the higher time frames, price has been moving bullish, guys. Has been moving bullish. Gold is at all-time highs, guys. So I'm gonna show you the trade I took. As y'all can see, guys, price was creating this higher highs and higher lows. So I was catering for these higher lows over here, right? So that I can understand structure. I noticed that price was failing to break the support zone. Then I waited to see more direction and more structure, also aligning with my confluences, my moving average crossover. And then I took my trade over here, guys. This is what I was willing to risk if I was wrong. This was a nice 1:3. And because of NFP, we were able to reach our target smoothly and quicker, guys. NFP, we killed it today, guys. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. That's it for today, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Refined Traders, we pushing pips and profits to the moon. Let's go.